Hey guys, and welcome to the Weeb Lounge. Once again, I'm Nick, and this is another little miner update. Oh, it's a mining update, but not a miner update, but it is kind of minor because there's pretty much nothing but problems. This guy's going just fine. I had a rig going over here and everything, but my God, okay. Where did I leave off? I think I got the air conditioner up. We're all good on that. All the electricity's done, the air conditioner's done. I'm still waiting for the meter to come in so I can know in real time how much I'm using. And look how ingenious I am. I put some Velcro on there because anytime I get a new remote, if it's for not something other than the TV system, I lose it within 24 hours. So that thing's staying there, and I've actually had it for a few days now. So I'm doing better than average. These rigs, you're going to see that I got this 13090 just kind of sitting over here, right? Why the heck is it still sitting there? Well, these two motherboards are like Asus Prime Z390, whatever the heck it is, and I could only ever get 3 cards to work in each of them. But I found a BIOS update that just came out a few days ago, and they were installing, what is that? NVIDIA Reflex, whatever the heck it is. I don't know, it's the new thing or whatever. I have it installed, it's active, whatever. Put the BIOS on here, flash to both of these machines, and this one, all of a sudden, I can get the 4th card to work. Don't know if the 5th and 6th card will work because I'm out of cards. I mean, I could take it from that, but then that's not doing its thing, and I'd put it over here, and yeah, it's all kind of clustered. So I ain't going to mess with it until I get some other cards in, which I have more coming. I have 3 more 3080s on the way. There are all those Zotac, like, white versions of the Trinity OC or whatever. They're kind of cool, but if I can get enough of those, I'll build a rig like what I'm doing here. Okay, a lot of people cringe at this over here. You know, all these RGBs and everything going up, it takes up power, right? And a lot of miners, they're like, oh, you know, you're using electricity. It's all about min-maxing and power efficiency and everything. And yes, I completely agree with that. I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's what you do when you mine. But I didn't have much of a choice with these because these came with the damn thing, and I didn't have any other fans, so I have to do that. But these things are ugly. It's just static. I don't know if you can see it. It's just static lights. There's nothing to them. They're garbo. All they do is move air in a circle and wavy and yeah, air that way, and then up out through that. Whatever. Those are ugly as hell. So I got these guys. Now I'm waiting on some motherboards to show up. I got a couple of motherboards that can handle up to 12 GPUs. This is only an 8 rig. That's all it's going to go in it. But I replaced them with these fancy guys, right? And I got 24 of them. These guys, straight from China. I'm having some luck with stuff from China. I ain't gonna lie, but a little bit of bad luck too, which I'll mention in just a second. It comes with a little controller and everything, and at most, this thing is only going to take up like, I don't know, 35 watts, if that. I don't know how many watts these things. It doesn't say. I don't even know. Voltage, yeah, calculations and stuff. I don't know. Whatever. Got a whole bunch of them. Hopefully they work. 24 of them. I only need 21 of them or whatever. So I got room for 3 being dead. But this is actually going to look pretty cool because what I want to do is this, and I'm going to take. I have 8 of these guys. The EVGA RTX 3080 for the Win 3 Ultra editions. I have 8 of these things total around here somewhere. And I'm going to take them all, put them in one rig, RGBs, and I'm going to make it pretty. Why am I going to make it pretty? Why am I wasting all this electricity? Because again, this is the Weeb Lounge. I want the fancy things. And like I'm going to put like an anime girl right here, and an anime girl right here, and then they're going to be doing things and stuff. It's a project, all right? There's future visions that I am a long ways away from getting to, but hopefully those motherboards show up relatively soon and I can start transferring stuff around, because a lot of these rigs are going to move, get tweaked and stuff, and in all actuality, I have enough power coming from this thing to probably more than double what I have going up already. Maybe even close to triple. I'm going to have to do some calculations or whatever. Math, don't like math. That's what calculators and iPhones are for, and Android devices. Android device over iPhone. So there. Now, one of the other things I was dealing with, and this is bad, after the stream Tuesday, a few days ago, I decided, hey, I'm going to work on some rigs, right? I got these guys in. The BioStar TB 2050 BTC. They're basically mining motherboards. Okay, this guy's only a 6 slot with one M2 guy sitting in there, right? Okay, I got a couple of those in. I actually got 3 in, right? The first one I got is in this guy right here, working flawlessly, absolutely flawlessly. Can't complain, it's great. But here's the weird thing. You see how it's got the yellow RAM slots, the yellow PCIe slot, right? The one in that rig over there, they're green. But it's still version 6.0, same everything else, just different colors. So I don't know what the deal is. But that one works, and these do not, as far as I know. I started working on these things after the stream about 10 p.m. And I was messing around. Next thing I know, I don't get to sleep until after 7 a.m. the next morning. Yes, around 5 a.m. or so or whatever, I went to McDonald's, got myself a steak, egg, cheese bagel, hash brown, and hazelnut iced coffee because I was hangry. I was mad, I was hungry, and I didn't eat anything for over 24 hours because I got that ADD. If I can't get something to work, I go. I tried different power supplies, multiple different processors, different RAM, whole bunch of crazy different combinations to try to get these things to work. It would not work. But I think I found out the problem. Now you see, I've got some CPUs and stuff over here, right? Remember in the last video, my baggy CPUs, right? Here's a baggy thing or what. I got one of them just sitting here too because I stopped carrying after a few seconds or whatever. But apparently these are either generation 8 or 9 Intel CPUs, right? And this guy, my 5s that I like to use, those are generation 9. It says right there, 9 gen. Okay. Apparently these boards over here are made and designed for Gen 7. Which of course out of all the CPUs I got laying around, and even a few on order, I ain't got none. Okay, well, with that, I went ahead and ordered a couple more CPUs, more money that I really don't want to be spending because I've got enough going on with this crap. So when those come in, hopefully I can get those two to work. Otherwise, I'm going to go to the seller and be like, hey, give me my money. That's pretty much all I can say. They're in China. What else am I going to do? You know, fly or take a boat? You know, kind of screwed otherwise if I just don't. So that's the risk you take with getting stuff from China, all right? But, you know, here's the messed up thing. The price I paid for 3 of those motherboards, one works, and this guy, is basically the same price I would have paid if I just bought a new one on eBay somewhere. So I guess it's not so bad, really, if you think about it. But there's still a chance these are working. I'm willing to bet they will work when I get that Gen 7 CPU. Still learning a little bit here and there, because I haven't done mining since like 2013, 2014, so I have to kind of rekindle a few things. And hey, if I'm the one that made the mistake, then I learned, right? Think of it that way. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, guys. Every little like helps support the channel, and I really appreciate it. I'm going to keep things going. I got more plans and everything to do. I was thinking of swapping out these fans too, but I don't like those rigs. They serve the purpose, as mentioned in our video. Whatever. Leave it. And all these RGB things, these are stupid though. But they're going to be so nice. They're going to look really good. I'm going to have the anime figures and all that stuff, happy stuff, and gotta get this whole thing designed, fun, and moved around so I can actually have stuff. And stuff is stuff. See you in the next video.